It's happy hour time. Today we're gonna make a pear sage margarita. So to get started, we're gonna I did equal parts sugar and water with some sage leaves, and I made this simple syrup. I'm gonna remove these sage leaves, put them right on the side. And now I took an entire pear, peeled it, chopped it up, and I'm gonna put it right into our bullet. So I'm gonna put all the pear in here. And then I'm gonna take our simple syrup, pour that right on top of our pear, and we're gonna blend this up. Close this in the bullet. Perfect. Now we can get started on our cocktail. So we have here a glass full of ice. I'm gonna add that to our shaker. And I'm gonna rim the glass today with sugar. You could do salt or sugar, but it'll be a little different today, and I love tequila, so I love to mix up our different ways of serving this. So we're gonna rim our glass there. And in our shaker, we're gonna start with tequila. So I'm gonna use 2 ounces of tequila. 1 ounce of triple sec. 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. And then I'm gonna do 4 ounces of our pear simple syrup mixture that we made. So we're gonna do 4 ounces of that. Cover our shaker. We're gonna take this off. We're gonna pour this right here into this glass. Oh, that smells amazing. We're gonna garnish it with a little fresh sage. Look how beautiful. Woo, my sage is gone all over. There we go. For the full recipe, visit nikkigluckus.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Cheers.